Checked all the electrical components on this straight AC. Capacitor's good, contactor's good. It's pitted a little bit, but it's 25 years old. It's still functioning. We're gonna do a good cleaning for them in here, and then I'm gonna take y'all inside, show you the Hvac and how it's clogged up, and how we're gonna clean that while we're here doing it also. Let's do it. Low water go a long way. Don't want to put any acidic cleaner on an older unit. You'll burn it out. Soap and water go a long way. Good cleaning, HVAC lifestyle. Part of HVAC, you gotta not only install it, you gotta maintenance it, and you gotta be able to repair it. This is one of those 3 tiers. Real quick fact, HVAC is the second most expensive item in your home besides your car. We protect our cars, protect that AC. If not, it catches up with you. Preventive maintenance. It's just like it says, it prevents issues. Highly recommend routine maintenance. Extend the equipment life and extend the peace of mind that you'll get from it, knowing that, hey, it's cleaned every year twice, if anything happens, they're coming out.
Can you spray on top or no?
Yep.
So the unit's okay if it gets wet. There's no issue there.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
No. The unit's alright if it gets wet. It's made to get wet. It's weathered. I mean, you see some rust on this, but it's aged. It's been here for 25 years. Of course, it's going to have some wear and tear. Anything that's outside of 25 years is going to have some signs of corrosion, some signs of wear and rust. It's normal. But if you get a routine maintenance, stuff can last this long. I'm just knocking down dirt from when they're mulching, when they're weed whacking. A lot of these units got dryer vents that are nearby, and it sucks all that wet stuff in here. You want to get that all out of here. This unit basically rejects heat. It can't reject heat. It's going to burn up the main component, which is the heart, which is the compressor.
How long will these old units go?
A lot of these older units can last anywhere from 15 to 20 years. Some of the newer systems, I'd say more from 13 to 15 years. Gas furnace might last you 20. I guess an AC could too with technology if you get it routinely maintenance. Of course it can last you that long. Wash down. When it's 90 degrees out here, everybody gets cold. We know they're up and running.